Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your home office with Amazon step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current home office setup. Identify what areas need improvement or enhancement. Take measurements of your workspace to ensure compatibility with new items. Visit Amazon's homepage and enter keywords related to your needs, such as office desk, ergonomic chair, or storage solutions. Browse the options and read the product descriptions carefully. Check customer reviews and ratings to gauge the quality and reliability of products. Add items that interest you to your cart. Look for bundle deals or discounts to maximize your budget. Consider Prime eligibility for faster shipping and free returns. Finalize your selection by reviewing your cart for any adjustments. Proceed to checkout and enter necessary payment and shipping information. Once your items arrive, unpack them and inspect for any damages. Begin with the largest pieces, like the desk or chair. Position your desk in a spot that allows for optimal lighting and minimal distractions. Assemble each piece according to the provided instructions. Adjust the height and angle of your chair to ensure ergonomic comfort. Organize your desk space, placing essential items within easy reach. Incorporate tech accessories, like cable management solutions or monitor stands. Add personal touches, such as plants or artwork, to enhance the environment. Finally, take a step back to evaluate your newly upgraded office space. Make adjustments as needed for improved functionality and comfort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.